Retirement. It's supposed to be the golden years, right? But for many, it can feel like a slow decline. Let me tell you something. That's just not true. In this video, I'm going to give you the tools you need to take back control and live your best life after 65. First things first, we got to get that body moving. You might be thinking, Dr. Phil, I'm past my prime. I can't be out there running marathons. And you know what? You're right. You don't have to. The key is to find an activity that you enjoy and that fits your fitness level. There are a ton of options out there, from low-impact exercises like yoga and swimming to something more upbeat like dance fitness. There are programs specifically designed for seniors, with modifications to accommodate different physical abilities. Exercise is like a miracle drug, folks, and the best part is, it's free and has no negative side effects. So, get out there, try a few different classes, and find what gets you moving and grooving. Now, let's talk about something close to my heart, giving back. Retirement can sometimes feel like you're losing your purpose, like you're not contributing to the world anymore. Well, I'm here to tell you that's just not true. Volunteering is one of the most rewarding things you can do at any age, but especially in retirement. Whether it's mentoring young people, lending a hand at a local food bank, or volunteering at a hospital, there are countless ways to make a real difference in your community. And the best part is, volunteering isn't just about helping others, it's about helping yourself too. Studies show that volunteering can combat loneliness, reduce stress, and even improve physical health. So, find a cause you're passionate about, roll up your sleeves, and get involved. Retirement is the perfect time to finally pursue those passions you never had time for before. Engaging your mind in new and challenging activities is crucial for staying sharp as you age. And the beauty of hobbies is that there's something out there for everyone, no matter your interests or abilities. Always wanted to write a novel? Go for it. Have a green thumb. Start a garden. The possibilities are endless. And don't be afraid to step outside your comfort zone and try something completely new. Remember, learning doesn't stop after retirement. Who says travel is just for the young? Retirement is the perfect time to finally take those dream vacations you've always talked about. Whether it's exploring exotic destinations, visiting family and friends, or simply taking a road trip to a nearby town, traveling can bring a sense of excitement and adventure to your life. And listen, it doesn't have to break the bank either. There are plenty of senior discounts and travel deals out there, making it more affordable than ever to see the world. Plus, with more time on your hands, you can travel at your own pace, really immersing yourself in the culture and experiences each destination has to offer. So, dust off that passport, pack your bags, and get ready for an adventure. The world is waiting to be explored, and there's no better time than now to do it. Listen, we're social creatures by nature. We crave connection, interaction, and a sense of belonging. And that doesn't change just because we retire. Joining a social club is a fantastic way to meet like-minded people, make new friends, and stay active and engaged. Whether it's a book club, a bridge group, a senior center, or a hobby-based club, there are endless opportunities to connect with others who share your interests. These connections are invaluable. They combat loneliness, provide support, and bring joy and laughter into your life. So, get out there, join a club, and find your tribe. Who says you have to stop learning after you retire? In fact, retirement can be the perfect time to finally pursue those intellectual curiosities you never had time for before. Whether it's taking a class on history, learning a new language, or attending a workshop on photography, there are countless opportunities to expand your knowledge and keep your mind sharp. Lifelong learning has been shown to have incredible benefits for seniors, from improving memory and cognitive function to boosting self-esteem and overall well-being. And the best part is, it's never too late to start. Many communities offer affordable or even free educational programs specifically designed for seniors. So, check out your local community college, senior center, or library for upcoming classes and workshops. Your brain will thank you for it. Now, let's talk about taking care of your mental and emotional well-being. Retirement can be a time of great change and transition, and it's important to have healthy coping mechanisms for stress and anxiety. That's where mindfulness and meditation come in. These practices have been scientifically proven to reduce stress, improve sleep, increase focus, and promote overall emotional well-being. And the best part is, they're simple, accessible, and can be done anywhere, anytime. Start by setting aside just a few minutes each day to focus on your breath, observe your thoughts without judgment, and connect with the present moment. You'll be amazed at the difference it can make in your overall sense of peace and well-being. So there you have it, folks. 7 powerful ways to stay active, engaged, and fulfilled after 65. Remember, retirement is not the end, it's a new beginning. It's a time to redefine yourself, pursue your passions, and live life on your own terms. The key is to stay active, both physically and mentally. Keep moving, keep learning, keep connecting, and keep exploring. Don't let age define you or limit your potential. You are capable of amazing things, no matter your age. Now go out there, embrace this new chapter, and live your best life after 65. And as always, thank you for watching.